42. Do you live with anybody? 43. I live with a friend. 44. Do you live on your own? 45. I share with one other person. 46. What's your email address? 47. Could I take your phone number? 48. Are you on Facebook? 49. Do you have any brothers or sisters? 50. Yes, I've got a brother. 51. No, I'm an only child. 52. Do you have any children? 53. I don't have any children. 54. Do you have any grandchildren? 55. Are your parents still alive? 56. Where do your parents alive? 57. What does your father do? 58. Do you have a boyfriend? 59. Are you seeing anyone? 60. I'm seeing someone. 61. What are their names? 62. They're called Neil and Anna. 63. What's his name? 64. What do you like doing in your spare time? 65. I like listening to music. 66. I love going out. 67. I enjoy traveling. 68. I don't like nightclubs. 69. I'm interested in languages. 70. Have you seen any good films recently? 71. Do you play any sports? 72. Yes, I play football. 73. Which team do you support? 74. I support Manchester United. 75. Do you play any instruments? 76. I'm in a band. 77. I sing in a choir. 78. What sort of music do you like? 79. Lots of different stuff. 80. Have you got any favorite bands? 81. What sort of work do you do? 82. I work as a programmer. 83. What line of work are you in? 84. I work in sales.